clean. Can you believe only 42,965 miles? Great deal, $1,800 below NADA retail. Limited trim. Moonroof, leather interior, heated leather seats, heated mirrors, backup camera, 4x4, heated seats, aluminum wheels, head airbag. Key features include heated leather seats, heated mirrors, sunroof, 4x4, backup camera, MP3 player, keyless entry, privacy glass, steering wheel controls, electronic stability control. Limited with light Greystone pearl exterior and DK slate Lieutenant Greystone leather seats. Features a 8-cylinder engine with 305 horsepower at 5650 RPMs. Vehicle Reviews Edmunds.com says, for those who require an SUV with off-road and towing capabilities, the Jeep Grand Cherokee makes for a compelling choice. 5-star driver front crash rating. 5-star driver side crash rating. 5-star passenger front crash rating. 5-star passenger side crash rating. A great time TOBOI priced $1,800 below NADA retail. Approximately original base sticker price, $39,300. Visit U.S. Total Prone vehicles are covered by the Lawrenson Advantage, including extended warranties and free services. For more information go to www.lawrenson.com/Lawrenson-Advantage.